Hey guys, my name is CJ. In this video, we're going to talk about musky smell in your garage, or let's say maybe a shed. But this issue is happening in my garage. If you were here, then you would be able to smell it, but I know you're not here, so obviously you cannot smell the musky smell. But you come to this video, you're trying to find an answer as to what the musky smell is. Looked everywhere I could look and think about anything that would possibly cause a musky smell. Water does come in over here. I have these moving furniture pad rugs just to stop water, but these things I bought from Home Depot. They're called Quick Dam, and they absorb the water and then they blow up their gel inside that stops the water from coming in. So I smelled all this, didn't smell any musk or anything that would smell like the smell that I'm smelling. So I looked everywhere, I thought of everything. I even was like, is it the ceiling or whatever part of the drywall of the ceiling, the popcorn there? I don't know. Then I saw this. This house I bought in July of last year. So it's just really interesting trying to figure out the smell. My bathroom, my bedroom's on that side of the wall. So I was thinking maybe the bathroom is leaking water behind the wall. So what is the smell? I've gone into the attic. I looked up inside the attic, make sure the roof wasn't leaking. So obviously you want to do all of those things. Look around, go in your attic, make sure nothing's leaking. And if you don't find anything, one thing I've actually come across, I felt like it might have been an issue. I'm just going to open the garage door right now so we can see a little bit better. So I did just cut the lawn not long ago, and it did rain one day, but the grass has been mostly dry. The lawnmower smells like grass. I mean, it doesn't really smell bad at all. And I was like, maybe it's a lawnmower. I have no idea. What I've come to find, this has actually happened again. So this is the second time it's happened now. So what it is the lawnmower, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So pull your lawnmower out, and I'm not saying this is going to work for you guys, but I mean, look at that. There you go. That right there is going to cause musk and mold. That's wet grass right there. So more than likely your lawnmower has grass and moisture built up and it needs to get cleaned out. So what you could do is simply just get a spackle blade, one of these. This will work. Just get under your lawnmower, move your blade and get all this wet grass out, guys. This is all wet grass right here. See this? Look, it's wet. Little bug just came out of that. So, I mean, I would recommend doing it on the grass. I'm just showing you. You see all this right here? That's all mold. You see that? That's all mold starting to form. This is white. That is all mold, guys. See that? How I can put my blade under there? So that is basically moisture, bacteria, or mold, spores growing all the white stuff. You got to clean your lawnmower each time that you cut it. All right, this has not happened to me since I've been cutting the grass, so I'm really surprised this has been happening. And I think it's just whenever the grass is somewhat wet, it's getting trapped under here. Now, I normally don't use a chute, and my wife cut the lawn and she attached the bag, and you shouldn't have the bag attached. If you're going to cut the lawn and you're not going to use the bag, and you're using the chute, you need to take this off. Take the bag off here. So lift this up, which doesn't look too bad in there. The back chute, this flap needs to be closed, and that needs to be like that if you're using the side chute, okay? If you're gonna use the bag, then you're gonna take this off here, lift this up, pull that out, and all that can get clean too. There's all grass and all this right here. This is how much grass and mold has been sitting under this lawnmower for about a week now, and I couldn't figure out the smell. I just found another spot where I missed, and that's right here. See that? This is a Ryobi electric lawnmower, guys. So, I mean, regardless, every lawnmower is going to have crevices. Really just try to get in there and just find every little nook and cranny that you can get. I'm doing more of a deep clean. Now, you don't have to do a deep clean every single time, but you are going to want to clean this out as much as you can each time that you're done the lawnmower. And then finally, once you get to the point of you scraped away just about all of it, I would just get some soapy water and go ahead and just start wiping this down. You don't want to spray on the inside. You don't want to get your motor wet, anything like that, especially the top. Underneath, just wipe it down with some soap. Try to kill some of that bacteria that's been growing, especially if you got mold. Really just wipe it down and then get it nice and dry once you're done wiping it down, so you can stop the mold and stop the smell is really what you're trying to do. But you want it for your health. You don't want to be using a moldy lawnmower and you're breathing this stuff in, your family or whatever it is. And then, you know, once you have it dry, get an electric blower. I blew it all out, open up everything, this chute here, clean all this, wipe this down, all the crevices, any grass in between your wheels, anything that's going to make your lawnmower operate slower. You want to open this up, clean it all out, all the crevices that you can find. You can even blow inside of here and get all the grass that builds up in there. Talking about why it's smelling, I mean, that's why it's smelling, because the mold is growing. So don't spend thousands of dollars just spending money on, you know, hiring people. I hope this is the fix for you guys. Comment below, let me know if this is the same problem you have. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!